Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's Memorial Day, about 8:30 in the morning. It's already in the low 70s. Yesterday the soil temperature, the temperature of my thermometer over there about a foot off the soil, said it was 99.1 degrees. We're supposed to be up almost that hot again today. And I know this cabbage is just not going to make it to this kind of temperature. So I'm going to get this stuff picked. But I got to tell you, this is some of the most incredible cabbage ever. So I'm going to come down here, give it a cut. Pull off some of the loose leaves. Look at that. Is that the most, this is not even the biggest one. Just incredible cabbage. Here is another one. Just amazing cabbage. So, probably going to have to swap sides. These leaves I'm picking off, I'll put into the worm bins, feed the earthworms. Look at that. Just fantastic cabbages. So. Okay, here's another beauty. And now for what is the biggest one of the bunch. This one, I don't know, dude. This one is just huge. There you go. This is northeast of Atlanta, Zone 7, Memorial Day. In the 90s yesterday. Here's our cabbages. The last of the cabbages, somehow or other they have survived the heat. This thing is just gigantic. Not sure exactly what all we'll do with it, but there's going to be some great stir fry and some different dishes. There's the cabbages. That's what we're doing first thing before it gets too incredibly hot here. I want to thank you for watching. If you like these, please subscribe. So here's our end of the season cabbage picking. Been in the 90s. Memorial Day. Getting to the end of May. Hard to believe we're still getting some cabbages. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There's a lot more stuff in the garden that we're going to be planting and picking. Thank you again.